Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share home remedy for cough and phlegm. If you have been coughing with phlegm stuck in your lungs for long and you've been having chest pain due to long period of coughing, maybe you can try this remedy. But if you're allergic to black pepper or honey, I strongly advise not to use this remedy. I'm going to share is based on my experience. It had worked for me. This might be a bit different to yours. However, there's no harm to try. You can give a try. You can still try other method, which is called steam inhale, where you can easily find how to prepare this method from Google and YouTube. For better result, it would be good if you can combine consuming the remedy that I'm going to share with you together with steam inhale method. Additional info: if you're having your children or your siblings having cough and phlegm, can try this method. So the first step is crush black pepper with a blender or hard stone. Crush it till it looks like this. Mix 1 to 2 spoons of honey. Mix well. Consume 2 spoons for 2 to 3 times a day. Avoid drinking water right away. Try to wait 20 to 30 seconds for better result. During this period, it is very important to take care of your food intakes. Avoid oily, spicy, sweet foods, and try to avoid cold water. It's also good to consume extra garlic during this period for faster recovery. Based on my experience, when I'm not feeling well or when I'm in the middle of taking medicines, I usually consume extra garlic for faster recovery. Garlic plays important role for immunity and it has natural antibiotic function. There's a lot of other benefits of garlic where you can easily read from Google. In this video description, you can click the link to find ways to consume garlic. I hope this remedy can be helpful for your cough. I hope you get well soon. However, if you don't feel any improvement within these 2 weeks, I would suggest you to see a doctor, get medical treatment right away before it gets worse. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to be notified of my upcoming videos, just hit the subscribe button and I assure always the best for you.